How to make money as a teenager. There are little jobs for teenager as most of the jobs require some form of education or work experience. Teenagers are therefore limited to certain jobs. In this video I will go over 5 part-time jobs you could do as a teenager. 1. Work in a restaurant. Working in a restaurant can be extremely fun if you're a social person. Working with a team is always a useful experience. The wage for this job is relatively high, but be prepared as this job can also come with some stress if the restaurant is busy. The tips you can receive when working in a restaurant can also give your income an extra boost. 2. Get a paper route. An easy and relaxing way to make some money is by getting a paper route. Pleasant on sunny days and less so on rainy ones. The wage for this job is average. You can get tips on days like Christmas and New Year's. This job works best for those who don't want to work too often, but are looking for a nice way to make a quick buck. 3. Deliver pizza. Whether you're delivering pizzas on a scooter, e-bike, or on your regular bike, delivering pizzas can be a nice way to make some extra money. You'll always be rewarded with the smell of pizza and, of course, the hourly wage, which isn't bad. The job is more or less the same as doing a paper route, but instead of delivering papers, you deliver pizzas. 4. Gardening. You could help your neighbors or other people from your neighborhood make their gardens neat. If your neighbors are somewhat generous, this can pay quite well. You'll probably be mowing grass, removing weeds, or pruning the hedge. 5. Movie theater. Movie theaters are a great place to earn some money. You greet and welcome people into the cinema hall. You might have to do some cleaning here and there, and generally check whether the cinema rooms are clean after the movies end. Just remember that this job continues until late in the evening. As a teenager, you could also try and learn the skills to create a YouTube channel, start a shop on Etsy, or do dropshipping. When looking for a job in your neighborhood, it is important to talk about it with people, because not many jobs are given to teenagers through vacancies.